Hi folks, in this video I show you how to fix the gearbox selector error code P27F500 that appears on the dashboard or on the radio. Basically, we need to adjust two pins on the solenoid of the gear selector. We need to access underneath the central console where there is the gear selector actuator. How to do that? We first need to remove the USB-C ports, and after that we will be able to remove the central console trim. It's quite a simple task, you just need a plastic pry tool, so let's see how to do that. Before starting, I recommend disconnecting the car battery for safety. In my case, the battery is still connected in the video because I already made the modification earlier. I'm just recording this part because I forgot to capture it the first time. So let's start. First of all, let's use our pry tool for remove the USB-C port, starting from the top part of them. Once the USB ports have been detached, you can decide to disconnect the connectors or just move apart the ports. In order to remove the central console trim, let's start from the bottom left of the corner by using our pry tool and unlock the first clip that are on the bottom part of the central console trim. After that, we proceed by going all the way up to the left side until we reach the top left corner. Then let's move to the right side for release the three remaining clips, which are quite easy to remove. Now I'll show you the same procedure but from another point of view. Now what we need to do? We need to take out this piece of foam which is covering the gearbox selector mechanism. This will expose both the emergency latch, which is used to put the DSG in neutral, and the gear selector solenoid, which is responsible for the error code. To remove the solenoid, there are two small plastic clips holding it in place, one on each side. Use two flat screwdrivers to gently open the clips, while lifting the solenoid upwards. If you prefer, you can also use a plastic pry tool, but it will make it a bit more difficult. Once the actuator has been removed, we need to gently bend these two pins at the top to bring them slightly closer to the bottom ones, for ensuring better contact with the male pins of the actuator. I have this modification in place for at least 1 year and a half and not experiencing anymore this error code. So I hope it fixes the issue also for you. I cannot guarantee that this is going to fix the issue forever, but at least so far it's still working for me. Cheers!